In this video, I'm going to be showing you exactly how to send Naira to anyone from anywhere in the world using cryptocurrency. Yes, it's exactly what it means. You're going to be sending cryptocurrency from your private wallet or from your exchange, and the person is going to be receiving Naira in their bank account. Now, there is no sign up required. The person does not need to know anything about cryptocurrency, and neither do you have to tell them anything about cryptocurrency as well. You send the money to them, they receive Naira, that is all they know. So in the next 5 minutes, I'm going to be showing you exactly how to send Naira to anyone from anywhere in the world using cryptocurrency. Alright, so the platform that's making this possible is called CoinProfile. So I'm going to be leaving the link in the description below. So if you yourself are also interested in getting started with it, definitely check that out. So when you come over to the site, you're greeted by the home page, and then all you just have to do is come over here and click on send money. And then the next thing you see is this message, where are you sending money from? Now, I've been told by the platform that they will be removing this feature because it doesn't really matter, okay? It doesn't really matter where you're sending money from. I could select anything and it doesn't matter. So you might as well just leave it in the United States, or if you actually want to be specific, you can just say Nigeria, which is where I'm from. So I could say I'm sending money from Nigeria, but like I said, this absolutely doesn't matter. You can just keep this, and then you come over here. So based on when you're watching this, Nigeria is still the only country available to receive money with this platform. Of course, South Africa is coming soon, and it is my belief that they are also still planning to expand to other countries as well. So for now, if you're a Nigerian and you stay outside the country or inside the country, but you have loved ones who you would like to send money to, but you have cryptocurrency, you're definitely good to go with this platform. Right under that, we can see that this is basically what we want the recipient to receive. Now, the least amount of money that you can actually send with this platform is 500 Naira. So if I try to put in 100 Naira, okay, you can see that the minimum is 500 Naira. And also, right under that, we have the cryptocurrencies that you can send with this platform. Okay, so if I click on this, you can see these are all the cryptocurrencies that I can send with this platform. So we have Bitcoin, Ethereum, USDT, Dashcoin, CUSD, BUSD, and Binance Coin. So you should be holding any of these cryptocurrencies in order to be able to send crypto through this platform. Another thing you should know is that when you select some cryptocurrencies in particular, remember I said 500 Naira is the least amount you can send, right? Now, if I should select something like Ethereum, you can see that the limit automatically changes to 10,000 Naira. So if I try to put in 500 Naira with Ethereum, it tells me that the minimum I can send is 10,000 Naira. Okay? So, but if I should select something like BNB automatically gives me 500 Naira. Or if I should select something else like Bitcoin, it automatically gives me 500 Naira. So I can send at least 500 Naira. So basically, it depends on what you have and what you would like to send. If you know you're holding Ethereum, for example, or any other cryptocurrency in here that doesn't allow you to send less than 10,000 Naira, all you can just do is simply just convert it to Bitcoin or any other cryptocurrency out here that allows you to be able to send less than 10,000 Naira. So for this example, I'm going to be using BNB because BNB is actually what I have right now, and I would like to use that for this example. So I want to send myself money, and I want to send 500 Naira. Okay, and now we can see this is the equivalent it will be in BNB, and this is also the equivalent in dollars as well. So that's going to be 84 cents. So basically less than $1. That's what I want to send to myself right now. So once you're done with that, click on continue, and then you enter your email. This email is basically just to keep you updated on the transaction status. So when you send the money and the money has actually been sent, you basically get an email telling you that your transaction was successful and the other person at the other end will receive the money. So I just put in my email address and then I click on continue. Now after clicking on that, it brings you over here and it asks you, who are you sending the money to? Are you sending the money to a CoinProfile user, or are you sending the money to a bank account? Obviously, in this option, we're going to be choosing bank account. Now remember I told you guys that you actually don't need to sign up for this platform to be able to use it, or the person doesn't even need to sign up for the platform for them to actually receive the money as well. That actually holds true and remains true, but however, there are some advantages to actually signing up with the platform. Like for example, there's actually a limit to the amount of money that you can send. So let's say for example, I would like to send 6 BNB. You can see that there is actually a maximum amount of money that you are allowed to send, which is actually approximately $2,000. So if you try to send some money which is above this 1.188 million naira, it won't actually work until you click on get a profile and you sign up. Now after you sign up, you need to put in your BVN and some other things that are required just to verify your identity, and then the limit will be increased to $20,000, meaning that you can send somebody $20,000 worth of crypto and the person will receive the naira equivalent in their bank account. Okay, so after that we come to our email. Our email is already filled in already. We click on continue. So since we are not sending to a com profile user, that means the person didn't sign up on the platform. We're just going to be sending it directly to a bank account. So I click on bank account, and then over here we look for our bank name, and then we'll put in our account number. After that, you click on continue. It's going to look for your name through the banking network, and as you can see, this is my name right here. So just to confirm that that is the actual person you're sending the money to, and after you've confirmed the person's name, all you have to do is click on proceed, and then now you're greeted with this page just to review your transaction. You can see I'm sending this amount of BNB of 500 naira, which is equivalent of 0.84 USD, and this is actually the BNB rate at which it's doing this transaction. And obviously this is the recipient details, which I said is my bank account. I just want to send the money to myself to see what's up with it. And then you click on proceed once everything checks out, and then all you have to do is click on pay. Now you're greeted with the payment page. As you can see just below that, you can see that we have a timer. So for the next 10 minutes I need to send this money to this address, or else the transaction will be cancelled. Basically, there are two ways of doing it. I could copy this address. I could just click on this to copy. I click on that and to copy the address. I go over to my private wallet, or I go over to my exchange account, basically where I want to send the cryptocurrency from. I go over there, paste the address, and then I come over to copy this exact figure as well. I click on copy as well, paste it, or I put in the number manually, then go ahead and send the money. Now, if for some reason I make a mistake and I went to go and send the money over, okay, so instead of sending 500 naira, I went to go and send 5,000 naira, okay, what happens is that I can basically send them an email. I can send Coin Profile an email or chat them up when you sign up, okay, just chat them up and then let them know that you oversent the money and they will give you a refund. And also as well, if you actually go ahead and send under the money or under the amount you're supposed to send, so for example, let's say I was supposed to send 5,000 naira and I went to go and send 4,500 or 4,000 naira, this will be recalculated and that's the money that would actually be credited in the person's account, okay? So I just told you guys one way that you could actually send this money, or you could scan this QR code. So when you scan this QR code, everything is automatically imputed, the amount you need to send and the wallet address, okay? So I'm going to be doing that with my wallet right now. So I'm going to be sending some BNB. All right, so I'm scanning the QR code right now with my wallet and I'm just going to send the money. Just give it a couple of seconds. As you can see, the money has been sent. It just says right now that I paid this so amount worth 500 naira to Coin Profile. And guess what? I'm going to be receiving the money in my bank account in any moment from now. Now, one more thing I should add before we proceed is that you see that timer that was counting down to 10 minutes, okay? If for some reason you sent the money and for some reason it doesn't reflect payment successful and the time expires, you should not worry at all, because you will still get the money, or the recipient will still get the money as long as Coin Profile gets the money. And by the way guys, I've received my money already. It didn't even take up to a minute before the money actually landed in my bank account. And also guys, a few other things on the website. If you would like to sign up, just click on get a profile and then put in your details and you'll be good to go. And also they also still have this feature which is sell crypto. Honestly, it's basically the same thing as send money. Okay, so like for example, if I click on sell crypto right now and then I click on continue, I put in my email, I click on continue, you can see it still brings me back to this. Who are you sending money to? Okay, so it's basically the same thing and it doesn't actually really matter. Okay, so you can either click on send money or you can click on sell crypto. For more videos like this, please click on subscribe button below and click on notification bell right next to it. I release new videos every week and be the first to be notified when that happens. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and if you have any thoughts for videos that you would like to see, definitely let me know in the comment section down below. And while you're at that, if you also like to support this channel, ways to do that are going to be in the description below. Thank you very much for that, and I'll see you guys soon. Cheers.